Okay, so I believe we are good to go. So let's take today's round of questions and I'll try to cover each and every one of them in today's session. So this is a Q&A session that we host on every Friday at 4:30. So whatever queries that you have, we try to answer them in this particular session. All right, so let's start off today's session. So first up, we have a question from Ashish. So Ashish asks that he has a trading strategy which trades on delta based options. So, how do you define a delta in SpeedBot? So, I believe this is an advanced option strategy that the people look up to whenever they would like to create an option trading bot. So, to answer your question, Ashish, what you can do, you can go to the options bot like this, and over here, here I am in the option bot builder, and over here, if I were to select the contract on the basis of delta, so I'll be able to do that. So mind you, the delta value is kept in decimals, it is not an integer. So make sure that you keep the delta value in decimals. So if I were to select a contract for 0.5 delta, that means somewhere around the ATM contract will be selected. If you are familiar with the concept of deltas, then this particular method will allow the trading bot to select whatever the 0.5 delta contract or 0.5 delta strike price is currently being traded in the markets, and you'll be able to select it from your side, and that's how you'll be able to execute it automatically. All right, let's move on to the next question. So next question, it's from Jayesh. So Jayesh asks that, does SpeedBot provide strategies in algos? So SpeedBot does not provide any sort of strategies, to be honest, as we do not portray ourselves as strategy sellers, rather than we would call ourselves as software providers, right? But in order to understand how algos work, how the entries or the exits are being taken using algos, for that we have strategy templates that you can use. So what is a strategy template? So these are trading logics that already have their entries and the exits disclosed in the open environment. That is based on your understanding of the market, based on the market conditions, you'll be able to check when the entries can be taken, when the exits can be taken. It could be on the basis of an indicator, it could be basis on price action based logic. So all of these logic are completely openly disclosed in the template section. Let me just show you how you can explore it. If you go to the template section over here, you'll get a range of categories, that is ranging from indicator based option templates to ready to use templates to the bullish templates like this, bearish ones, non-directional ones, equity templates are also there, and some advanced templates. So let us say that if I were to click on any one of the template, for example, let me just click over here. So I get to have the description, that is on what basis the template is created, that is in which market condition the probability of this bot will work or not is mentioned, the risks associated to it, and like I mentioned earlier, the logic, that is the open logic, you'll be able to see it like this. So as you can see that the entry conditions are being taken whenever the current market price, the LTP of 15-minute candle, crosses above the super trend. So this is one of the sample that you can see. And likewise for the call side. So if I were to replicate these conditions for myself as a bot, so what I'll be doing, I can just click over the build bot button and this page will be opened. And as per my understanding, I can tweak the parameters and forward test it as well as go live with it. So this is something that I can do. So I hope it clears your doubt. So let's move on to the next question. So the next question, it's from Sanjay. So Sanjay asks that does SpeedBot support TradingView? So SpeedBot does support TradingView. If you have a TradingView indicator or TradingView strategy over there, which is coded in PineScript, so you can automate those PineScript with the broker of your choice. So let me just give you a brief walkthrough. So over here, if I were to create a bot, and over here, if you're able to see the symbol, if I just mention that TradingView Algo bot, TradingView trading bot, that's the bot name that I've mentioned. So first of all, I'll need to save the bot. Let's add a leg, option leg, save and continue. So once I click on the save button, now my bot is saved. Once again, I'll click on the edit strategy. Now whatever things I want to do, that is I want to buy a call option. So I'll be able to see it over here. Now, when do I wish to buy this particular call option? So that depends on the signal that is already there on my trading view. For that, you need to have either of the two things. Either you can have the indicator or you can have the strategy like this. So let us say that if you want to go forward with the indicator, then over here, what you can do is you can follow the steps that are mentioned here. That is alert. Under the alert section, you get to see a pop-up. In the pop-up, you'll be able to see that, okay, what are things that I need to do? That is, first of all, you need to copy this particular message and paste it over here in the message section that is already there on TradingView, like this. If you're able to see it, you can just confirm it from your end. If you're able to see it, perfect. You can click on to the next button. Now you need to copy this particular connection URL. So this basically allows us to configure the signal with the bot that we have created on SpeedBot. So once I copy this particular link, I'll paste it over here like this. So once I do that, I'll click on the next button. So onto the next page, we have certain things to understand. So mind you, this is something that we have done for the entry signals. Likewise, we can do for the exit signals as well. That is repeating the process again, the configurations that we have done for the exit part. So currently I'll keep it simple for the entry signals, and over here you'll be able to see the maximum signal entries. So what does this mean? This means that, let's say that if there is a buy condition or a buy signal that is satisfied. Now, once we have taken the position of buy, that is we have bought the call option, after that, although the buy position is open, after that, again, another buy signal is triggered. Mind you, I'm not talking about the sell signal, I'm talking about the buy signal. Again, the TradingView script or the TradingView indicator throws us a buy signal. Then in that case, what we'll do, we can restrict the signal entries for a particular position. That is, at a time, how many number of entries would I like to take. It could be restricted to 1, it could be restricted to 5, that is totally up to me. So by default, it is kept as 1. All right. So once I click on the save button, now if you're able to see this link, that is your TradingView icon is linked with SpeedBot. So this shows us that there is a successful connection. And once I click on save and continue, I click on the save button. So that's how I'll be able to automate my TradingView signals and execute it in my SpeedBot account. All right. So let's move on to the next question. So can you please tell me the pricing plans at SpeedBot? So this is a question asked by Vishwas. So Vishwas, to answer your question, if you are exploring the pricing plans on SpeedBot, what you can do is you can log into your SpeedBot account, you can click onto the menu section, and over here in the plans, you'll be able to see two types of plans that we support at SpeedBot. One is the pay-as-you-go and the other one is the subscription-based model that we support. So in the pay-as-you-go, based on your requirements, based on your usage, you will be charged. So for every 1 credit, 1 rupee is charged. So you can add as many credits as you like in your SpeedBot wallet. So how you can navigate the SpeedBot wallet? So once you go back to the menu, you click on the wallet section. So over here, you can just add as many credits as you like. That is totally up to you. And whatever capabilities or whatever usage you have that you have been doing on SpeedBot, so those transactions will be shown over here. For example, for every paper deployment or paper bot deployment, 10 rupees or 10 credits per day is deducted automatically. So you are able to see those transactions. So for backtesting, 1 month backtesting, we have 3 rupees or 3 credits that will be deducted, right? So according to your usage, you can add as many credits as you like. Now let us say that apart from pay-as-you-go plan, if you have usage that is completely fixed, that is on a monthly basis, if you'd like to run a limited or a fixed number of bots, or if you'd like to perform backtest for a fixed duration of time, for a fixed duration of bots, then in that case, it is suitable for you to get the monthly subscription or the flat fee based plans. How you can explore that if you are able to see the subscribe your plan button. Once you click over here, you'll be able to see the different plans like this. All right. So it usually starts from 353 rupees per month if you're paying for the annual subscription. And also one thing I would like to highlight here, that is once you check and pay the annual subscription, then in that case, you'll get a 10-hour free support for your TradingView automation. That is anything and everything related to TradingView. So you can ask the team, you can ask us whatever queries that you have around the TradingView automation. So we'll be able to help you out. So this is the option available whenever you are paying for the or availing the annual subscription for any of the plans over here like this. So each and every subscription consists of number of backtests that you can do. That is, for the basic plan, you have 100 daily backtests. That is, on daily basis, 100 times you'll be able to backtest your bot. It could be as many bots as you like, but it has a limit until the 100th. Apart from that, you'll be able to deploy it in the paper environment, that is the paper trading. And if you upgrade your plan, then you get to have the live bot, that is in your broker account. You'll be able to get the deployment done. All right. So this was about the pricing plan that we have on SpeedBot. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, so the next question is from Mr. Nikunj. So Mr. Nikunj asks that, is it possible to trade in the US markets using SpeedBot? Yes, it is possible to trade in the US markets. Let's say if you have a US based broker and you have a trading strategy that you'd like to automate, then it is possible for you to get it automated. Let me just give you a brief walkthrough of that. Let me just go to the US version. Whenever you go over here and choose your market as the USA, then you will be redirected to the SpeedBot US version, wherein you'll be able to find the US based brokers in the broker section. So these are the list of brokers that we have. So this includes the US markets. Apart from that, this supports the Forex market. So recently we have integrated Wanda. Apart from that, we have crypto based brokers as well. All right. So if you have these brokers credentials, then it is possible for you to create an algo and execute in these accounts. Apart from that, if you would like to integrate any other broker, then you can contact our team. So they'll be happy to help you out in this regards. All right. So let me switch back to the Indian version. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so this is a question asked by Gopal. So Gopal asks that how do you create a range breakout strategy in options on SpeedBot? So Gopal, to answer your question, in order to create a range breakout strategy, first of all, you can go to the option bot builder like this. And let's say that if I were to create a trading bot for the Nifty symbol or Nifty options, then in that case, what you can do is you can add the leg. Let's say that if whenever there is a range breaking out, that is the range is breaking out the high of a particular time range, then in that case I would like to buy a call option, right? So over here I see the range breakout button like this, and over here if I were to check the range right from 9:20 morning till 10:20, so the bot will automatically mark the highest high, the highest point between these two times, that is from 9:20 till 10:20, and whenever that high is taken out, then we'll be entering into buying a call option. It's as simple as that. And right next to it, you have the breakout on underlying. So what does this mean? So if you're able to see this particular checkbox, so what does this mean? This means that whether you'd like to check this range breakout condition for the option contract that you have selected, that is for whatever the ATM contract was selected at 9:20, or would you like to check the breakout condition on the underlying, that is on the spot chart, right? So this basically changes the complete scenario of creating the bots from your side. All right. So So let's move on to the next question. So let's take one more question and then we'll wrap this session up. What kind of data analytics does SpeedBot provide? So this question is asked by Nawaz. So Nawaz, to answer your question, whatever you do on SpeedBot, it could be backtesting, it could be forward testing, or it could be deploying your bot live in your trading or broker account. So SpeedBot has a feature that enables you to assess your strategy so that you'll be able to check the detailed statistics of your trading bot. So let me show you whether I have some sample over here. Okay, I do. So this is a bot that I have. So currently I've kept it in forward testing. So it's been running for the last 3 days, and this is today's MTM that you're able to see, and these are the positions that the bot has taken, whatever the quantity is, the entry price, exit price, the stop loss was hit, the entry time, the exit time, like this, the historical positions. So all these things are updated on real-time basis, so you need not manually intervene to fill out the trades or check out the trades from your side. So all these automation are done by the bot itself. If you go to the detailed statistics, you'll be able to see the bot's performance. So this is the equity graph that you're able to see. So like I said, that it's been running for the 15th October for the last 3 days, and these are the positions, the net profit and loss until now, the annual return, the drawdown and everything, the P&L summary, like this. So whatever the bot has made or lost, you'll be able to check it from your side. If you move further down, then you'll be able to check out the statistics for the winning trades, for the loss-making ones. So what was the total win, total loss, the average profit, the average loss, the duration that the bot held for a winning trade, and likewise for the loss-making trade. Apart from that, advanced statistics over here. That is, you'll be able to see the win rate, the maximum drawdown, the Kalma ratio. So all in all, the important metrics that a trader needs in order to assess his or her strategy. So all of this you'll get in the detailed statistics section on SpeedBot. All right. So I guess this was about it. So this was about today's session that we had, and I'm pretty grateful for the people who have tuned in to today's session. So I'll see you guys next week. So next week, same time at 4:30 on next Friday, we'll be seeing you. Right? Until then, thank you so much for joining in. I hope you have a great day. Thank you guys for joining in.